Hi friends, this is the Budget Kitchen with Barb, and today we are making smoked sausage with fried cabbage. I am starting out with 2 tablespoons of butter. We are getting that nice and melted, but we also want to go in there with your choice of oil. A little bit of oil in there, just a little. We're going to be throwing in 1 onion. This is an easy budget dinner. We don't have to stand at the stove too long. Also, throw in 1 rope of, I have beef sausage, but you use whatever sausage you like. This is the one that I used. And then we're just going to fry up the onions. I want to season this with onion powder too. I know we got onions in there, but I'm crazy about onion powder. And let's get a tablespoon of garlic in there too. Okay, got my tablespoon. I love these spoons. I have them in the link below. I like it because they magnet together. And boy, do I need to keep my stuff together. Okay, continue frying this up. And this is looking perfect. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to throw some more seasoning in there. I'm going to throw a little paprika. And I'm going to use Mrs. Dash's table blend. Use whatever you want. I just like the flavor. And now what we're going to do is I'm going to throw in 3/4 cup of flour. God. Friends, that's water. Oh, I was thinking about baking bread at the same time I was already cooking. Okay. 3/4 cup of water. Thank you for being patient with me, calling things other things. Okay, and then I got some angel hair coleslaw. We're making this quick and we're on a budget. I'm using water, but you can use chicken broth or beef broth, whatever you decide. We're going to throw that in there, and we're going to stir that up. Let's go in with some salt and pepper. Okay, friends, so I had shredded up my own mozzarella. Grab a nice hand of it and just sprinkle, maybe two handfuls. And just sprinkle it, and now let it melt. And now it is done. Just scoopity scoop right in there. The cabbage should be tender at this point. And see, like, let me see here. The onions are like translucent. And you have like just a barely little crisp on your sausage. Okay, I'm going to get some more. Then I just threw a few tomatoes on mine. Heck, if you want, you can even throw a can of tomatoes in it. I mean, you can like tweak it, make it yours. Okay. I don't want to get a big glob of cheese. I want to like get a little bit of everything. Okay, gotta get a tomato. Okay, bon appetit. You're going to like this one. This is really good. It's budget friendly, veggies and meat. So, if you're watching your carbs, perfect. Okay, friends, if you like the video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you want to see more budget friendly videos, please subscribe. But keep cooking, friends. And I love you all. Sorry about that.